I looked for you in Paris. The lights were too bright. Streets that promised me roaming. You were nowhere. It's been a long time. We both fight the same fight, and I'm tired. Turn on the light. I'm afraid of the night, and I'm tired.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jessica. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, Abuja. I'm a mom of one. I'm married to a Slovak. If you're so interested in my lifestyle and all, please do it to subscribe, like, share and comment. So far in today's video, I'll be taking you guys along with me in my daily routine. We'll be cleaning, cooking, making breakfast, making lunch, and also I have some errands to run, so I'm taking you guys along with me. I have three places to go to today, so I'm taking you guys along with me. I'm doing this all by myself. I don't have any help to help me with my daughter, so I will just be taking you guys along with me as a stay-at-home mom living in Abuja, Nigeria. So I hope you enjoy this video, so please keep on watching. So loves, after we had done eating and having our breakfast, I'll wash the dishes. Then we'll move to the next routine of the day, which is sweeping of the house, cleaning of the house. Then I add some laundry that I'll also need to fold that.
I'll hold you close and do the ache, 'cause I only want you. We roll down roaring fields. Tell me, is this real? Stand in my doorway, call out to me. I'll keep you secret if you want, baby. I see you dancing with your ghosts. You're the mist.
So love, these are the dresses I washed, so I just fold them off camera, and I'm just going to be placing them where they're supposed to be. After this, I will move to the living room and also tidy up the living room by cleaning and mopping. Yeah, so please keep on watching.
Piece of my soul. I know it scares you to come out of the shadows, but I'll hold your hand and I won't let you go. Walking there along the beach, waters I have never seen. Scream your secrets to the breeze. I'm the picture on your home screen. We roll down roaring fields. Tell me, is that photo booth we captured. You're a dream if I ever knew it.
So comfortable, and no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful.
So right here, my daughter decided to pour milk on the chair. This was not part of my routine. You know, sometimes when you have a toddler in the house, accident happens. So I have to clean it here. So I have to use a sponge and some softener, cloth softener from a tip from Louis Milton. Yeah, so she gave me this tip using cloth softener and detergent, so the cloth softener will leave a nice smell on the chair because you know milk, it smells. Yeah, so that's what I'm just doing. I'm just cleaning the sofa where she poured the milk. Yeah, so after this I'll keep on with my cleaning, then I will make lunch and we'll step.
A star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. It's not logical, the way I feel when you walk in the room. When you walk in the room, it's not optional. How gravity just pulls me right to you, to you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. Spend my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby. And all these broken roses led to you.
So guys, I'm making lunch. Okay, I was cooking rice and beans as I was also cleaning the house. So after I finish cooking, I will go shower and we'll step out. Baby girl has slept, so I left her to sleep so that I can finish cooking and go shower. Yeah, so keep on watching. Right here we are on our way out, guys. This video looks 11 minutes plus, but this was a 24 hours whole day activities. Yeah, I just had to cut it down to this 11 minutes plus, but this was a 24 hours whole day activity. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, me taking you along with my morning routine and also running around Abuja. Yeah, so if you watch it this and have not subscribed, please do it to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Yeah, so guys, I'm heading to the bank and also heading to National Public Commission, I think so. Population Commission, I think so. Then I also go to Foreign Affairs. So please enjoy the music and enjoy the rest of the vlog.
Spend my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby. And all these broken roses led to you. I feel
All right, Mama. Today is a day of Waka Waka.
can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you.
Let's take it to the start. It was just
She's
me
free.
and my guitar, dreamer on the road, romance, just all the shows. I backed away, I played where I could play. Loneliness befriended me, felt older than my age. I let go a little, I fell for something new. It was sweet for a moment, this love I never knew. He called me little dreamer and said I'd be okay. I let go of my ambitions and promised him I'd stay. Now all of my dreams are floating like a river in my head. At night in bed, talking to myself so wide awake. Oh, he kept telling me to let go of my goals. I never questioned, I just let go of my goals. And now the vagabond lost herself to love from a lonely soul.
Yes,
And now I'm watching as he moves on toward the road, and I just wander through this empty town. Broken little dreamers born to roam. Off you go. I think it's time to go. I think it's time to go.
Yes, let's go home, I beg. Hey, wait. Headache, like I'm having headache.
You know, sit down one place, no good.
Like,
Oh my God, you like this.
so I go sleep. At least you don't. So guys, this was how I spent my whole day. It was very, very hectic, but we survived. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.